This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've got the app and permissions. Now start recording. Open Samsung Voice Recorder and tap the red record button to begin. This initiates real-time capture. Speak naturally and keep the phone microphone 6-12 inches from your mouth for clear audio. Once recording starts, use the waveform view to monitor levels and avoid clipping. Move slightly away if the red peaks hit max. Make sure to name the file immediately after stopping so you can find it fast. Once you've captured basic audio, switch modes to match your task. Voice memo for notes, interview for dual mics, or speech-to-text when you need transcripts. Tap pause to create silent gaps, add markers during key moments for quick jumps, and use trim to remove dead space at either end. In settings, adjust sample rate and quality to balance file size versus fidelity. Higher KHZ yields better clarity but larger files. Make sure to save edits before exiting to preserve changes. You're ready to finish. Export recordings via the Share menu as MP3 or WAV, or convert to text for searchable notes and save to cloud storage for backup. Organize by creating folders, renaming files with dates, and using tags so you can retrieve sessions fast. If something goes wrong, check mic and storage permissions first, then restart the app. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reboot your phone. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to recording quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.